everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Amazon gift card online. So in order to do that, the first thing to do is to visit the Amazon website. So in order to do that, open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in amazon.com and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up on the official site. Now you'll need to sign into your Amazon account if you already have an account. If you don't have an account and if you are trying to create a new one, click on the Start Here link at the top right. For existing account, click Sign In and then enter your phone number or your email to continue signing in. Enter your email or your phone number and click Continue. On the next page, enter your password associated with your Amazon account and sign in. If prompted, you'll need to enter your security verification code sent to your email address. So go ahead and enter your security code in the text box, which will be sent on your email inbox. Finally, click Submit Code and log into your Amazon.com account. Once you are signed into your Amazon account, go to the top right hand corner of the screen and mouse over to your Accounts and Lists drop-down. Now select the account option from the list and then under your account, click on Gift Cards. Now, if you already have a gift card added to your account, your gift card balance will be shown on the top. If you want to activate or redeem a new gift card, click on Redeem a Gift Card button at the top. Now, enter your gift card code, which is typically located on the back of your Amazon gift card. After typing in your code correct, click on Apply to your balance and you will be able to activate your Amazon gift card right away. After activation, you can check your Amazon account to confirm that the gift card balance has been added. So that's how easily you will be able to activate your Amazon gift card within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.